everybody, welcome back to Teach Me to Science. My name is Saren and today I'm going to be talking about the states of matter. First I'll talk about the main states of matter, then I'll talk about how they're organized within the state, and then we'll talk about changing from one state to another. Alright, so first let's talk about the four main states of matter. The state of matter describes the composition of a molecule or a mixture of molecules. The three main states of matter are liquid, solid, and gas. The fourth state of matter I'll be talking about is called plasma. There's a fifth state of matter which I know nothing about. I'll put the name of it in the description of the video below, but I'm not going to talk about it. The characteristics of each state of matter are unique. The molecules within a solid are very tightly packed, which makes sense because a solid is typically hard. Solids are also not very compressible because of how tightly packed their molecules are. Liquids, however, are more compressible than solids because their molecules are less tightly packed together. Liquids are also typically characterized as being fluid. The molecules in a gas are even further apart than in a liquid. Because of the large amount of space between gas molecules, gases are extremely compressible. And the last state of matter I want to talk about is called plasma. Plasma is a mixture of high-energy particles that are charged, such as the electrons that aren't participating in a reaction. Now let's talk about switching from one state of matter to another. We won't be including plasma in this portion of the video because plasma is typically only talked about in terms of space and stars. Typically, switching from one state to another either involves an increase in temperature or a decrease in temperature. Increasing the temperature of a solid will cause it to melt into a liquid, and increasing the temperature of a liquid will cause it to vaporize into a gas. Now, a decrease in temperature will cause a gas to condense into a liquid, and decreasing the temperature of a liquid will cause the liquid to freeze into a solid. You can also go directly from a solid to a gas by a process called sublimation, and from a gas to a solid with a process called deposition. That's all I have for today's video on the states of matter. If you could, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye!